This tutorial demonstrates how to import contacts into the HEMSP Student Portal. You will learn the necessary steps to prepare your file and complete the import process efficiently. Before you proceed with the import, make sure first that your CSV file is properly formatted with the correct column headers. To start the import, under Contacts, click on Applicants. Under Actions, click Import Contacts. Then click Browse to select the file, and then click Upload. On this Import Contacts page, you have to make sure that each column field is mapped to the correct field in HEMSP. Finally, once the mapping is complete, click on Import. A message will be displayed that your contacts were imported successfully into the system. You can verify if your contacts were imported successfully by selecting an email from your CSV file, then pasting it in the search where you can view the imported contact. You have successfully imported contacts into the HEMSP Student Portal and verified their presence by searching for specific entries.